Benefits of follicular unit transplantation that you should know. This type of hair transplant is known to have a high success rate, with most patients achieving natural-looking results that last a lifetime. This procedure allows for a transplantation of a large number of grafts in a single session, making it ideal for individuals with advanced hair loss. Minimal scarring. Although follicular unit transplantation involves the removal of a strip of skin from the donor area, the scar is typically very small and can be easily concealed by surrounding hair. However, it is important to note that every individual's experience with this type of hair transplant may vary, and it is important to consult with qualified and experienced hair restoration surgeons as the doctors at Dr. Edge's Hair Restoration to determine the best treatment plan for your specific needs.